We spend a surprising amount of time not doing machine learning, but preparing data for it. Cleaning columns, encoding categories, handling dates, merging tables is necessary work, but often repetitive and fragile. That's where SKRUB comes in. It's a Python library designed to make tabular machine learning feel natural again, especially if you're already working with data frames in pandas or polars. What makes it interesting is how directly it connects your raw data to models from scikit-learn. You don't have to manually engineer every feature or worry about how to encode different data types. SKRUB understands mixed data, numerical, categorical, text, even dates, and builds a pipeline for you. So instead of writing long pre-processing code, you can go from a data frame to a working model in just a few lines. It also gives you tools to see your data better. With something like table report, you can explore distributions, relationships, and patterns interactively before you even train a model. And when your data gets more complex, multiple tables, joins, aggregations, SKRUB lets you define that logic cleanly and still plug it into a machine learning pipeline. In a way, it shifts the focus back to what actually matters: understanding the data and the problem instead of fighting the pre-processing. So if you're building models on real-world tabular data, and especially if you want fast, strong baselines without a lot of overhead, SKRUB is worth a look.